So, mamaya. Yo, she's so playful. See? Okay, let's go. Kakawi ko lang. And then, yeah. Asan siya? Oh, focus na palang yun dito. Oh, there she is. Yeah, I think I see it. Oh my god, dito na siya. And then, kailangan namin gamutin yung kanyang left eye, but unfortunately mahal magpa-opera. Loko, ang playful niya. Yeah. Yun yung cat food. Yeah, I think he's cute na. Rat. Kasi ang reference ko dyan is yung Us, which is this poster here, which is this. Yeah, this is more a professional poster, unlike to this one. Yeah, I guess. Sila, nagtatanong ako.
Painting in either portrait or landscape. So,
na to, and medyo gitna po tayo. Ayan.
so gagawin na lang natin dalawa para madali.
Concentration and ninja-like reflexes to keep the three.
Simahan Jr. has been recognized for their outstanding contribution and unwavering dedication as the guest speaker for the De La Salle Clause Positive Impact How Pets to
Feel better na. So, mamaya, pinest niyo yung mukha niyo dun sa pusa or sa dog. Hindi nyo alam yung hindi. Yeah. Sa
certificate of recognition. The certificate is proudly presented to me. Recognition to their exemplary leadership, outstanding dedication, and exceptional service as president of the De La Salle Clause. Your visionary guidance, commitment to animal welfare, and tirelessly effort has been.
Yeah, let's go, bro. I just finished. It's kind of cool to celebrate with, you know, organization, people, stuff. Kasi mga iba, mostly mga fourth year na, so graduating. So, this is the last time na makikita namin ang isa't isa. Mga, alam mo yung mga graduating. So, I'm very thankful for that. So, we started master class kaninang 2 AM pa. And so far so good naman. Ang pinapakita ngayon is mga projects na ginawa nila. And talagang nagtutulungan sila yun ang maganda. And din-explain nila well yung mga ginamit nila sa instrument, mga plugins and types instruments. Yun. So these are all the best producers out there. So, would you look at that? And what's nice here is napaka-organized nila maglagay. Kasi sa akin sobrang messy ako maglagay.